To succeed in the AI era, you need human skills.
Correct. Robots cannot replace emotion.
Indeed, soft skills are your superpower.
Hello.
What is the most AI mindset? A growth mindset. People who keep learn stay ahead. So success begins in the mind? Exactly. Success begins with mindset. In the age of AI, those who believe they can learn will find new opportunities.
Success begins with mindset. In the age of AI, those who believe they can learn will find opportunity and failures into experience. The future belongs.
What is the second secret to success in the AI?
Lifelong learning.
Never stop learning. Why?
Because learning creates opportunities and success.
Learning is the foundation of success in the AI era. Technology changes every day, and those who continue learning will continue growing. What is the third secret to success in the AI era?
Embrace change. Learn moving forward.
Is change an opportunity?
Exactly. Those who adapt will always succeed.
The third secret to success in the AI era. Learn to adapt and grow with technology. Change is constant. Success belongs to those who adapt and learn. The ability to change is a superpower. Those who adapt will lead.
What's the fourth secret? Can AI replace empathy?
No, human empathy creates relationships.
AI can automate tasks, but it cannot understand feelings. Empathy is our most valuable skill. It is key to leadership.
I understand your challenges. Our human connection is our greatest strength. Our technology is powerful. But our human connection is irreplaceable.
Secret to success?
Critical thinking. Analyze facts.
Can AI think for us?
AI provides data. Humans provide judgment.
In the AI era, information is everywhere, but it does not create success. Humans must provide judgment. The future belongs to those who think.
In the AI era, the ultimate skill is critical thinking. Analyze, evaluate, and filter the noise. Sift through misinformation.
In the AI era, thinking is your superpower. You must analyze and evaluate every secret to success to confidently decide. What's the secret to success?
Creativity. The future.
Can AI replace it?
No.
Imagination comes from humans. AI can generate ideas. True creativity comes from the human mind. It is the ability to imagine and turn ideas into reality.
This is your secret to success. Education today, success tomorrow.
What is the seventh secret to success in the AI era? Leadership. Inspire people, create, and guide others to success. Can AI become a great leader?
AI processes data. True leadership comes from human vision. We must empower and guide teams. Leadership. AI helps us work smarter. We can learn faster. This creates opportunities. Work together with AI.
What is the eighth secret to success in the AI era? AI collaboration. Can humans and AI succeed together?
The future is not about humans competing against artificial intelligence. The future belongs to those who learn how to work with AI. Together, AI is not a replacement for humans. It is a tool that helps us work smarter.
Future is not about humans competing against artificial intelligence. How to work with AI. AI can process information faster.
With AI, we can learn faster and generate better ideas.
The future is not about humans competing against artificial intelligence. The future belongs to those who learn how to work with AI.
In a world driven by AI, what remains uniquely human?
Character. Integrity, honesty, and strong values.
Technology can process information.
But character guides the right decisions.
Why is character important
in the AI era?
Because trust is the foundation of lasting success.
Skills may open doors, but character determines how far you will go. Character and integrity define our future. This is the foundation of trust. SS Education.